Mr. Besim from Kosovo. How many Jamaats are there in the world? No, how many Jamaats are there in Islam? How many Jamaats, communities?
There is only one Jamaat in Islam, to my knowledge. That is Ahmadiyya Jamaat. The rest are only Jamaats in name, because they are separated. Jamaat means when you are united in one organization and you learn to rise and sit according to one voice. So there cannot be any Jamaat in the world without there being a Khalifa. Khalifa unites the east and west, north and south, and the Jamaats, wherever they are, whether in Kosovo or outside, they always follow his instructions. There are spiritual instructions, of course, within the four walls of the Holy Quran and the tradition of Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. That is, of course, conditional. Such instructions as are issued within Islam to the Muslims by Khalifa, they are always followed and taken care of by the Ahmadi Muslims all over the world. Whether they are Africans or Europeans or Australians or Indonesians, it doesn't make any difference. So as such, with this definition of the Jamaat, I can positively say that no other sect of Islam can claim to be bound in a Jamaat.